This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle D'Amico. Fabulous home in Stoneybrook at Gateway. Lovely open floor plan. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, pool home is spectacular and meticulously maintained. This home comes turnkey, all you need is your toothbrush and can move right in. Even the bicycles and golf clubs are already here for your enjoyment. You will be amazed by your own private backyard oasis, plenty of room for entertaining while relaxing in the pool. Kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, enjoy your morning coffee in the breakfast room. Stoneybrook offers many amenities including pool, fitness center, basketball, tennis, playground, and much more. Many activities for the whole family. This all comes with low HOA fees. Must see. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle D'Amico at 239-985-8408.